up Iraq, they come. Who funds migration comes here? You're part of the problem, man. Israel's part of the problem. Israel is not our friend. Israel's not our friend. They're not our friend.
Who's bombed more countries, Israel or England?
I don't care about. I'm proud of our colonial past. I'm not apologetic.
No, but you just said
when Britain ruled the world, it was magnificent.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I don't condemn anything Britain done.
People don't realise about Talmud.
But Zionist Jews,
they don't understand that.
No. But Zionist Jews are the first ones to point at us and say, "Oh, British Empire bad." But then when you blow up Gaza, we're meant to support you.
In 1920, Britain had a mandate to give the Jewish people back the land.
In the First World War, the British were fighting against the Ottomans. We agreed with the Palestinians. You know, right? We agreed. If we defeat the Ottomans, then Palestine would have independence, yeah? After Balfour and the British, we betrayed the Palestinian people. Ever since the Zionist Jews have been promoting mass immigration to this country.
This country betrayed the Jewish people. We should apologize.
No, this country betrayed the Palestinians in the First World War. And ever since the Zionist Jews have been promoting mass immigration to this country. Look at Israel. Who's Israel?
Read the Bible.
Who's Israel? I'm a Christian.
Well, you're not a very aware one. Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, right?
Google Israel.
God promised the land to the seed of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob.
Have you read the Talmud, sir? Have you read the Talmud? Do you know what these people believe in? Have you read the Talmud? In the Talmud, let me tell you what it says about us Christians. Let me tell you what it says. Let me tell you what it says in the Talmud. In the Talmud, it says that Jesus Christ is burning in excrement. This is what these people believe. They say that the Virgin Mary is a whore. That's what they say. That's what it says in the Talmud. But then you want to come here and do you believe in the Talmud? You do. And in the Talmud, you believe that Jesus Christ is burning in excrement. You believe that Jesus Christ is the illegitimate son of a Roman soldier. That's what you believe.
I get mocked for what I said. I believe Jews are not allowed to say that.
Yeah, but you.
But I believe
I'm not saying we're in a conversation. He's talking. We're talking. It's a debate. We're fine.
I think your mate's getting the wrong end of it. I'm just saying, we're just watching over what's going on.
That's right.
I'm just another one. That's fine. I don't mind.
It's called a debate. It's going to get heated. It's a debate. Whether you have a debate with someone else,
That's fine. Other people who don't use going on get a bit worried.
So what's this Talmud? Is that the Jewish Bible?
No, the Torah is the old Jewish scripture, right? You would agree. And in the Talmud, in the Talmud, we're Christians, right? In the Talmud, it said that Jesus Christ. We would have stepped in the Jews one, whatever. Who's the Talmud? The Jewish people believe in the Talmud.
Right.
In the Talmud, it says that the Virgin Mary is a whore. Jesus is an illegitimate son of a Roman soldier, and that Jesus Christ is burning excrement. These are not our friends. Israel is not our friends. Palestine, I don't care. I've got no dog in the fight. I don't care about Palestine or Israel. But when individuals like this man, he's fine. We just shook hands. I'm a Christian. I know everyone. But he comes here promoting as if he's like, he's for Britain. He's against mass immigration. But he's not, because if you read that, people bang on about the Quran, yeah. I have some problems with the Quran. But on a whole, I don't mind Islam.
Oh,
no. If you're in the Talmud though.
No. It ain't load of Jews coming over on these boats, is it?
Yeah, but
what's right?
In the Talmud it says Jesus is burning in hot excrement.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know that. And also about Mother Mary, they call
I don't know why you're worried about it. Jesus is dead.
He's not dead, he's gone.
In your eyes.
Didn't Martin Luther say, well, if you see a Jew in the street, throw big shit at him?
I don't condone that. What I'm saying is,
What
I'm saying is, he's a dual citizen. He's turned up to a pro-British rally wearing an Israeli skull cap. What incentive is that? You tell me. I've got no problem with you as a man. I love everyone. I shook your hand. We're fine. What I'm saying is, I don't. Why not come with a Union Jack skull cap?
when I was marches, Tommy Robinson marches, but I don't use it like this.
I don't like Tom Robinson.
Why is that?
because he's paid by what's his name? So the English Defence League, was it not called the English and Jewish Defence League? Okay, anyone can Google it. Please, someone can Google it.
The English Defence League had a Muslim sect, a Jewish sect, a gay sect.
I understand that. Tommy Robinson, let me tell you what Tommy Robinson said. Tommy Robinson said he would die fighting for Israel against Palestine. Is that someone that's got a pro-British sentiment? Not for me. That's what he said. That's on record.
If he wants to go and lose his life over there,
That's why I don't follow him.
there's some desert.
But that's why I don't follow him.
Yeah. But that's up to him though, isn't it? No, I don't follow him. I don't follow
Like
him.
the same sentiment, yeah. You can't be pro-Israel and pro-Britain. It's a total. It's a.
How about that?
I'm here as a legal citizen.
Yeah.
As a legal citizen. I love it. I would rather live here than in Israel. I visit my grandparents in a place where it's still part of the It's the biggest shit in the world. It's a fucking shit.
In the middle of the desert, yeah, I'm surprised.
Do you know, fucking, if we had camels there, I'll tell you what they would do for this.
Yeah.
You know, that's how bad the Jews are in Israel. I have a friend in Israel. That's where I want to die. That's where I would go.
So you want to be ready in Israel?
I don't want to. That's where my family would go.
Okay, so how is it? How can you be pro-Britain?
I won't have a choice. I don't have a choice with my family.
So what's it between you and the Palestinian cause? Because the Palestinians,
I don't have a problem with that.
Well, hold up, the trouble they cause?
what trouble they cause?
What do you mean, what trouble are they causing?
So let me tell you something. In 1947, the population of Israel. Of Palestine, it was in the British Empire, was 5% Jewish. Look at the population now. Are you telling me that's not a you telling me that's not
So what is it now then? What is it now then?
I don't know I don't know the statistics now, but it's a higher percentage.
Not, I bet there's more Muslims than there is Jews.
No, it's not.
Yeah, sure there is. Sure there is.
Actually, Gaza Strip is like 20%, like 90% Muslim.
Yeah.
But you go outside Gaza Strip, then it's mostly Jews. No, but what I'm saying is, they've been colonised since 1947.
Who has been? Who has been?
Israel's been colonised in Gaza.
Who cares?
Yeah, no, but what I'm saying is,
about that? That's
no, but
Israel
what
and
I'm saying
Gaza.
is,
Let them sort that shit out
but what I'm
themselves.
saying is, it leads to the problem here. Because you destabilise one country, where do you think them people will come?
I agree. Look at them all coming down
And
there,
NATO
marching down the road, shouting and
NATO
screaming.
sits there destabilising countries, not thinking of the consequences, and then gives them votes to come in.
But what's that got to do with anything?
No, but this leads
They're
to...
already here.
No, but what I'm saying is, it leads to the same problem what we've got here. You destabilise Syria, yeah? Lebanon.
No, I didn't.
No, but I'm saying our government did, yeah?
Well, it's not my say so.
No, but what I'm saying is we gave the Jews Israel to destabilise the Middle East. Before that, the Middle East was actually a white place.
And what? Yeah,
You get what I mean?
Yeah, but and what?
And then Americans gave them weapons and they started blowing up everything.
Yeah, but and what?
Right? And then we started getting the refugees.
You got the Muslims going in
And
there
then we-
decapitating babies.
No, but
what sort of animals
No,
do
they
that?
didn't. There's no proof.
there is.
You show me proof.
I ain't got no
There is
proof.
no. That's my point. You got no proof.
Yeah.
That is hearsay. Hearsay don't hold up in a court of law. So
They
how?
ain't in a court of law.
No, but what I'm saying is, in general, don't just tell you what media says to tell you. Don't believe what media tells you. They're paid by agendas beyond your acknowledgement. Why do you listen to them?
Why not?
Huh?
What do you mean? Who am I
Right.
listening to?
You just quoted Sky News.
You know, I didn't quote Sky News, GB News.
Yeah, but Sky News are the ones who actually reported the story of beheading
Yeah,
children.
but I don't watch Sky News.
And then that come from, and then
Yeah, you know that.
and then that come from a radical Jew who spreaded that story and told it. No, but what I'm saying is, there's no proof that even the White House come back and said there's no children get beheaded. Right? At first they released the statement they did, and then they backtracked literally an hour later. Because there is no proof of it.
Right?
Yeah. So
So then they're kicking off over there for no reason.
no, but what I'm saying is, how many children does a bomb kill?
It don't matter. No. The difference is, like one's aimed at and murdered, while others are collateral damage. There's a big difference.
My political views is to solve NATO, and you solve half the world's problems overnight.
Maybe I ain't got an opinion on that.
You get what I mean, though?
We're going to get about 7,000 move rats coming through here in a minute. You know what I mean? You're worried about